Hello guys, this is Prof and I trust you are all doing well. This is a short video to show you how to install the Python interpreter in case you weren't able to do it yesterday. So in this video, I'll go through the various steps so you can follow to set up your Python interpreter before our second meeting today. Alright, let's have fun. Okay, so first of all, we need to download and install the Python interpreter, and we can do that on we can just do a Google search Python. Alright, so go to python.org and then under the download section you click on the Python 8.1. okay, so you can download it and mine. So this is going to take some time depending on how fast your network is. Alright, mine is done. So let's open it. Okay, so now all you have to do is to install it. Okay, I have already installed it, so I'm not going to do that again. Alright, so after installing your Python interpreter, there are many ways you can launch it. The first and simplest is by going to your Windows menu or startup, whatever you call it, and type in Python. So when you do that, you will see the Python interpreter, and this is the shell. This is the Python shell where you can enter stuff. So plus, okay, this is the Python shell. So you can do this anytime that you want to use your Python to do some stuff. Okay. Alright, another way is to also use the IDLE. Now when you install the Python interpreter, it comes with a very simple program called IDLE. So if I type IDLE, so you can see that is the IDLE program. I'll launch it. Now the IDLE gives you both a scripting platform and the interpreter. So as a beginner, it will be a good thing to do. So this is the interpreter for the IDLE. So I can do cool stuff, anything that I can do with the interpreter. I can do that here. Okay, however, when you want to script, and yesterday I explained what scripting is. That is, put your codes in one file and then organize, run them all at once. Then you can come here and start a new file. Now, one thing I enjoy about IDLE is that it gives you a chance to put your interpreter and your scripting side by side. So now I can do something like hello world. Sorry for that. Hello world. I can add more. Can do something like v equals to 23, c equals to 12, and do something like print v raised to the power c. Okay, so once you are done, you can run your code by coming to the run session and then clicking on run module. Yeah, so if you haven't saved it, it will ask you to save it. So let's call this hello. Now because we are using a tool for Python, we don't have to say .py because it is automatically going to append it, right? So let's save that to our desktop. Yes, replace it. Alright, so now you can see this is the code. Let me see if I can. Okay, so this is the code, the output of the code I have in here. So you can see hello world, then you can see the output for this. So if you really want to do things fast and easy, you can always use the IDLE. Remember, you can get it to present you with the interpreter or the shell, and also a test. a text editor for your scripting. Okay. However, it is usually fun to be able to launch your Python from command prompt. So if I type cmd, okay, I should be able to launch my Python shell from command prompt. This is a very nice thing to do. And if you weren't able to do that, it is simple. I'm going to go over it again. So if you type something like Python -v and you don't get any response, then chances are that you don't have your Python interpreter on your command path or your command line path or systems path. Okay, now to add the Python interpreter to your systems path, it is very simple. Go to your Windows Start menu, locate your Python, right click on it and go to open location. So all these things here, you can see some small arrows on them. This means that they are shortcuts. So right click on this and go to open file location. So this is where your Python launcher itself stays. Okay, now all you have to do is to copy this address or path, then right click on this PC, go to properties, go to advanced system settings, environmental variables, and then search for the path. So we want to add it to this particular variable. So if you right click on the path, so you can see I have it here already. So assuming I did not have it previously, then now I can come to new and paste my path. Okay, and then another thing you should remember to do is to restart your CMD. So now if I restart my CMD, Python -v, I get the response. So once you are getting this output, it means that your Python interpreter has been added to your path, and now you can always launch Python to do something or to run a program. Okay, so for instance, if we move to my desktop, there is this program that I just created, which is hello.py. Now if I want to run it, I can just type Python hello.py. okay, and then you remember the code I just wrote in the IDLE. Yes, that's the output for that. All right guys, I hope this becomes helpful to somebody. I can't wait to see you guys this evening. All right, this is Prof, and thank you for watching.